always, Alyssa. In my video today, I'm going to be doing a cooking challenge against two of my brothers, David and Michael. But I need to win this, you guys, so you gotta help me win because I have to show them who's boss. So I'm in the kitchen now. I put my professional apron on. Isn't it so cute though? And I'm going to be going against Michael and David. So 2v1. Do you guys think I can win? I think I can. To complete this challenge, we're gonna be seeing who can make the best miniature foods in a miniature oven. It's gonna be awesome. We've got pizza, pretzels, cakes, whoopie pies. I mean, this is gonna be awesome.
At least ours are gonna taste awesome.
I don't know, you don't have much experience with cooking.
But that's okay.
We're gonna do 5 rounds starting with cheese pizza. For each round, we're gonna determine the winner by bringing in a judge. Now we're going to open the pizza and
The oven.
Ooh, this is cool.
We have the oven on, we have all of our ingredients ready, so let's start making these pizzas.
I'm gonna make the sauce. I have 1.5 teaspoons of water.
I'm gonna make the egg wash.
I'm making the cheese.
Wow, when they said tiny foods, they weren't kidding.
Yeah. Our team is gonna do so good.
I don't know. Sauce actually smells pretty good. And now I'm gonna make the pizza dough.
I think you should have used a tablespoon, not a teaspoon.
Oh, oops, you're right.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna win.
But you realize you're using the same dough as me?
That's okay. We're gonna decorate ours better.
Okay, now we're each gonna make either 1 or 2 pizzas. We have to roll this into little balls and put them on a tray.
All right.
So we can each take some. Here you go, that thing. I'm making 3 pizzas and they're making 3 pizzas also.
These 3 are ours and these 3 are Alyssa's.
Okay, I'm gonna put egg wash on mine. Yummy.
Looks like you spilled on the counter.
Well, that won't affect how my pizzas taste.
Well, I think if this challenge was trying to be neat, we'd definitely be winning.
Eh. Okay, time for the sauce. Put a little bit of sauce on the top.
I think Alyssa's putting on too much sauce.
Well, I guess I'll only put that much.
Ours are definitely gonna be better than that.
Oh, it's a lot harder than it looks.
Alyssa's supposed to be like the artist of the family.
Yeah, well, this isn't a paintbrush, so good luck.
It's pretty close.
Whoa, yours don't look any better.
I think Michael's looking a little better than yours.
Oh, not really. Told you it wasn't that easy. Are you gonna spread it out?
No.
That's too much crust.
Looks like one of those cookies with jelly in the middle.
We're gonna put the cheese in the bag, and we're gonna shut it. Then we're gonna cut small little holes so we can squeeze it out. Okay, I'm gonna go first. Ooh, that's cute. It's kind of difficult. I was gonna put more, but I'm gonna be unselfish and do the rest.
Good. So we can have a lot of cheese. It's gonna look way better than yours.
What the heck? Whoa, 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 that's plenty. That's gonna be so gross.
I think cheese is good.
I don't know if you're helping us win or lose this challenge.
Well, that's pretty disgusting.
I think it looks better than yours though.
Well, it's time to bake. And we're gonna bake it for 14 minutes.
Oh my
Uh-oh, David's definitely isn't gonna fit.
no.
Here, let's use this spoon. Good luck. Oh, that's literally so gross. It looks like spaghetti.
Oh, that looks good. Now let's try it.
Oh.
Dang, we might have to do it.
Oh, you ruined mine. Oh. Ew, it doesn't even go down.
I think mine will fit. We just upgraded our pizza size from super tiny to tiny.
Okay, let's just put it in. Oh, I think we have to use this.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're gonna check back in 15 minutes and see who has the best pizza. Ooh, sounds like our timer's done. Now we can take out our pizza. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ready, Michael?
Yes.
Here it comes out the other side. You see it?
Yeah.
Let's get it out from this side. Ooh. Okay, I'm pretty sure those ones are mine. Looks like Michael's and David's cheese got covered up. That one's insane.
I bet it tastes really good though.
I hope.
Now we're gonna call on the judge to tell us whose pizza looks the best. Owen, come tell us which pizza looks the best.
This one.
Yes, that one's mine.
Oh no.
Why did you think that one looks the best?
Because it has a lot of red sauce.
Ooh, I knew that was a good idea. These three are mine, and these three are David and Michael. So you're gonna choose one of mine to eat and one of theirs to eat. Okay. Now choose one of theirs to eat. Okay. Okay. Now, you remember whose is whose? That's mine, that's theirs. You're gonna tell me. Try them one at a time, tell us which one is better.
Yours.
You have to try the other one, silly.
Is ours good? Oh no.
It's because I put more red sauce.
He still had the first one in his mouth when he tried ours.
I think he needs to learn how to be a better judge.
If we had another judge, they'd probably choose mine because mine has a lot of cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna try one of mine now.
I'm gonna try the one with a lot of cheese.
I don't know how much I love the flavoring. I mean, it kind of tastes like a frozen meal, which is okay, but considering it's a toy, it's good. It tastes like cardboard. Do you want to try some, Zach?
Sure.
Ooh.
This is good.
Now we're gonna mix it up and make something sweet.
Whoopie pies. Let's open it up. Ooh, vanilla frosting mix and chocolate brownie mix. This is gonna be so good. Okay, 1.5 teaspoons for each.
Are you sure it's teaspoons this time, not tablespoons?
Yep.
Okay.
And David, you're gonna mix this, okay?
Yeah.
Mix that up. This is probably gonna be a little sloppy because look how much they're spilling.
It's alright. Cause you're pretty sloppy in the last round.
But I still won. I did what it said for the water. Hopefully that's enough. It's kind of powdery. Okay, I did it right. It just takes a while to mix.
Frosting, the best part.
Split it in half. Good. Now split each of the pieces into 2 smaller pieces.
Okay. Could have just said split it in fourths. I'm probably a better chef.
We're gonna split them again so they're a little smaller and we'll have more whoopie pies. Now make them pretty flat. We're just gonna cook these 6 and make 3 whoopie pies for now. We're gonna put them in for 12 minutes. Timer just went off. I'm gonna get these out and let them start cooling. Now it's time to put frosting on our whoopie pies. So I get 4 and you guys get 4.
Are you sure those are the ones you cooked?
Fine,
I think
trade
you're
me
gonna have
one.
to take one of those.
Ew, this is hard as a rock. Yo, why is there hair in it?
Good work.
No, it's a fuzz.
I think she should automatically be disqualified from this
Ew,
competition.
that's not my hair, that's a fuzz. I'm gonna load mine up.
Yeah.
Then Owen will like it more.
That's what I did with the cheese and he didn't like it.
Yeah, but this is frosting.
We might have a different judge this round.
Uh-oh.
That's good for us. Because ours aren't dripping as much.
Yeah, but that one doesn't look as good.
I think it looks pretty good.
I think it's time to call our judge in. Zach! Okay, I'm ready. Am I judging these?
This or that?
I mean,
Definitely
this
this.
is a good
What?
color. Yeah.
Because that one has so much frosting.
Good choice.
It's like overloading of frosting. Whose is this, David?
Yeah.
This is oh, no wonder. That one's those ones are way better.
Yeah, he knows that I'm good at making food.
Whatever.
I always make us dinner
You're
like
such a
chicken,
good
chicken and
cook.
rice.
Yeah.
I think that judge was a little biased because see how they did a fist bump? Very fishy. These are really good.
Well, it looks like Alyssa won the first round, but we won this one. And for the third round, which is the final round, we're gonna be making mini pretzels.
They're gonna be so good.
And whoever wins this round gets to choose one of the two desserts.
I want
win.
that one.
Yeah, same.
Let's get started.
Well, let's put these right over here because we know we're gonna win.
Funny.
We'll put them near us.
I'll be taking them right back at the end when I win.
We'll see. Pretzel mix, egg wash, yum.
Nacho cheese.
Ooh.
And
That's
salt.
gonna be really good.
I'm putting the pretzel mix in the bowl.
You guys, it's salt. Oh, it smells like Great Fudge. Does it smell like Great Fudge?
Oh my gosh, it does. What have we not made? Oh, this is the egg wash.
Egg wash.
Oh, this looks so good.
Michael just made a little bit of a spill.
Oops.
Spoon just kind of flung it over his back.
Ooh, we might need flour on the table. It's a bit sticky.
That's all right. I mean, I'm good at like dealing with that sticky stuff. So
Good luck.
I'm at an advantage here. So let's make our winning pretzel.
We're saving best for last.
Oh,
Ew, you just dropped it on the floor and in paper.
oops.
That's disgusting.
It's all right.
Oh my gosh. Ew, it has a black hair in it. I hope the judges don't have to try these. Okay, my turn.
Good thing the judges are only gonna judge the appearance of the pretzel.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, this is such a mess. Oh no, I just probably lost. Oh my gosh.
How's the rolling coming along, David?
Not bad. Oh my gosh, it's just getting worse. Might as well just wash my
I told you we
hands
would
in
need
it.
flour. Okay, look. There's no way I can roll something like this.
Yeah, I think that's my fault.
I think I'm gonna let both of them keep rolling the pretzels.
We added some more flour, so maybe we can actually roll it out now. Okay, I'm trying to remember how to like fold the pretzel.
It shows right here.
Oh
You
yeah.
just do it like that.
I'm gonna roll it like this first. Oh, that's not
So
bad.
cute.
That's what a winning pretzel looks like.
Yeah.
Our pretzels are actually looking pretty good.
Now I present to you the winning pretzel.
No, definitely not.
Definitely yes.
Adding more salt means it looks better. Well, we're gonna get these in the oven and then we're gonna have the judge come make the final decision.
But we can't put them in the oven yet because they're too tall.
Oh my gosh. Let's just use this thing. I got this.
Well, now it doesn't look as good. Hey, whoa. There, now maybe it will fit. Let's put a little bit more salt.
Copycat.
Oh, there is none. There, that's better. It barely fit.
Maybe Chloe should be the judge.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, timer.
Let's see how they look.
Hey, not too bad.
Oh yeah, mine definitely looks better. I told you.
Yours looks like the Sahara Desert.
This one's ours, this one's Alyssa's.
I think mine looks more tasty. Yours has too much salt. The person who's
Sorry.
gonna eat it is gonna gag.
It'll come off pretty. This is really easy to get off.
It'll be hard for the judge to eat your pretzel if it's stuck on the pan.
Yours isn't much better. Oh my gosh.
It's split in half. That's funny because it's
Oh
yours.
my gosh.
Looks like a bagel now.
That's right, the judge is only gonna see that.
Okay, let me try to get mine off
Here.
then. Ready?
This looks pretty good actually. That's not bad.
Oh, it's like crunchy. Okay, this is like. Okay, you hold the tray on and just go at it. Okay, it's jackhammer style. Here, hold it this way. I got it.
Dang.
I broke it.
We left like half our pretzel on the thing.
At least it came off. The
Let's
top
eat- let's
still
eat
looks
it.
good.
Guys, you didn't need to take it off of the pan. The judge is only judging the look.
Well,
Don't you want to eat it? Looks good, I want to taste it.
well, let's present it to the judges on this little tray.
Now for the final judgment, let's get Zach over here to judge.
Which one do you like better?
Make sure to look at the bottom of this one.
But look at the bottom of the other one too.
I think that one looks way better.
Look at the bottom of this one.
I mean, the bottom of them, they both look bad. Except the top, that one looks way better.
It's the salt, right?
Yeah, the salt.
Told you it was a good idea.
What? But normal pretzels don't have that much salt.
Yeah, except that you hardly see the salt. That one actually looks like a real
That
pretzel.
one just looks like panko bread.
So are you choosing mine for the winner?
Yeah.
Yes, good decision. Let's go. We'll be
But
making
look
this
what's
tomorrow.
worse. There's too much salt.
That's okay. Let's eat it. A lot of salt. Let me guess where they sell. It's more for looks, not taste.
Let's try it at the same time.
Oh yeah, mine's way better.
That's pretty good.
Michael, are you gonna try the nacho cheese?
Oh,
Yeah.
very salty.
If you like the nacho cheese, thank me. I'm the one who made it.
It's good. Owen didn't like how I put extra cheese on the pizza, but I think putting extra salt on this pretzel paid off. You like it? Probably too much salt, right?
See?
But it looks good, and that's what made me win. Like I said, we get to make the velvet strawberry cakes tomorrow.
Whatever. I'll just take the other one. This one looks better for an artist anyways. Look at all the intricate details.
But I think this is gonna taste way better. I love red
Whatever.
velvet.
They're both cake.
Red velvet strawberry.
Well, even though I got beat by a little bit,
A little bit.
yeah, I still had a good time. So you guys are gonna have to comment and tell me which round was the best. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
What in the world?